The biggest change in my recovery didn't come from new therapy, a new tool, or a new doctor. What came from one simple shift in my mind, which was becoming someone, not trying to recover. But day one, I stopped trying and started becoming. That shift from surviving to becoming changed everything. In early recovery, I was living in frustration, like I couldn't really do it. Every exercise felt like proof that I couldn't do the things that other people could do, and I compared myself to other people, and that's not the way to do it. One morning I stared into the mirror and I realised that fighting to get that old me back wasn't it. Instead, I was just building. I should have been building a new one, which I am now. That's when I stopped asking, why did this happen to me? And I started asking, what can I build from this? That shift from victim to survivor just changed for me. Instead of seeing recovery as a punishment, I started seeing recovery as training, and every rep was just building momentum to be in the situation that I want to be. And my focus stopped being on fixing the past and started building the future. And that's when my efforts stopped feeling so heavy and it started becoming meaningful. And I stopped asking when am I going to be normal again, and I started asking how can I get stronger this day. And the quality of the question determines the quality of the outcome and the mindset. When something doesn't work, I don't say I failed. I say I gathered data to move forward, and every setback gave me feedback, and that feedback is your teacher. And don't wait to feel like a stronger person, just to act like one. Start acting like the person who you want to become now, and your identity catches up with your actions, not the other way around. Spend like 5 minutes just picturing a new version of you every day, and probably in the mornings, because in the mornings you just wake up and you feel like what you wake up and just like feel lethargic and stuff. So if you close your eyes and visualize what is going to become today and what's going to happen, and visualize your future self, like let's say picking up something with your weaker arm, or lifting a 20 kg dumbbell. Like it's progress at the end of the day, and let the image guide you every rehab session and every decision that you make. Just let it guide you, and pick up one phrase that reminds you of who you are and who you want to be. So mine was, I'm not broken, I'm rebuilding. And saying that every morning just programs my mind, and you should do the same thing. And once my mindset changed, my energy changed as well. I stopped measuring progress as how far I had to go, and I started focusing on how far I'd come. The work didn't get easier, it just got stronger. and I realized everybody heals through different things. So yes, it's all about repetition and stuff like that, but progress always is just repeating the same things over and over again, and once that gets easier, make it more difficult, and do that until you are fully better. And the truth is, recovery starts in the mind long before it shows in the body. And once you shift from victim to creator, everything changes. Your focus, your consistency, your confidence changes. And stop chasing the old you, because you are not that person anymore. You can build a better version of yourself, if you get what I mean. So that mindset changed everything in my recovery, and it can be changed in yours too. But if you like this video, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.